Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Vivo T1 Pro and let me share with you how to change the video resolution on this device. Right, so first of all we have to enter the camera app and let's change it, let's switch it to video mode. Let's tap on the video. If it is highlighted, lined out actually, and if you can see the red color inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. So now we can take a look at this option bar right here, and we've got this option which is probably for sure connected with the resolution. Currently we've got 1080p option applied with 30 frames per second. Let's tap on it, and as you can see we can pick between 3 different options and 2 different options of the frames per second. So we can also set 720p or 4K and 60 frames per second instead of 30. It's up to you, of course. Let me pick 4K for example. As you can see, all you have to do in order to change the resolution is to tap on the option you'd like to use. So I will pick 4K and 60 frames per second if it is possible. As you can see, unfortunately it is not. So you will not always be able to pick between the 30 and 60 frames per second. Sometimes the option is not available. Alright, so basically this is it. This is how to change the video resolution in this Vivo device. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.